Welcome to Bitcoin Fantasy. It's time to explore NFT games. This December, we're going to explore one of the oldest networks, and we've compiled a list of the best BNB chain games. Most of them are free, and all of them are interesting. Let's wrap up the intro and get started. Created and developed on the veteran and popular blockchain BNB chain, we find the next quite powerful project called Domi Online. It is an open-world RPG that we have available for free on computers. Players embark on an eternal journey in a sprawling medieval world. Explore a wide variety of forests, deserts, ruins, caves, and islands, and fight against the mythical beasts that roam the land in search of treasure and unparalleled power. In this MMO with no level caps or skill advancement, the consequences of PvP and death are significant. It pays homage to classic RPGs like Warcraft that are still popular today and incorporates improved old-school skill mechanics and levels, but with modern combat systems and graphics. At the start, various character classes are available such as sorceress, priests, warriors, and amazons. Each class has its own strengths and weaknesses, such as higher or lower mana reserves and hit points. The starting area is the capital, with a beginner-friendly environment. As the player progresses through the game, he completes quests, goes through dungeons, defeats monsters and bosses, we level up, we become stronger, and the enemy beasts will increase in difficulty. Its economy is backed by its main token, Domi. Its utilities are for the governance of the protocol and can be obtained by playing for the best and best-placed guilds in the ranking, and it is also required for the purchase of skins, pets, and exclusive accommodation. Also in its economic sections, there are NFTs, such as cosmetic outfits, the aforementioned skins, but its devs clarified that they do not want it to become a pay-to-win project, something positive for all free-to-play players. In short, it is an ambitious role-playing game with economic potential and addictive gameplay. Created and developed on the veteran BNB chain network, we find the next interesting project that you may not be familiar with called Craft. It's a competitive fantasy MOBA available for free on both mobile and desktop, even on the popular Steam platform. This is a PvP arena battle game with action-packed multiplayer confrontations. It includes a wide variety of main characters, each of which expands with updates, and each possesses unique traits, abilities, and powers. Its game modes offer both PvP and PvE experiences. Each match lasts 5 minutes, during which time players must defeat as many opponents as possible while working collectively to complete the selected mode's objective. If a player is killed in battle, they must wait 10 seconds to respawn. Each player earns points for kills, assists, and by completing mini-missions within the arena. The player who scores the most points is designated the MVP, which will not only show off their skills, but also earn them a prize in the tokens of this universe. Which brings us to its economy, backed by its main token, MCRT. This will have different uses within the project, from the purchase of characters and items, serving as a governance currency that you can receive rewards for if you hold it, as well as earn it in tournaments organized by the community and in competitive games with bets included. NFTs also play a fundamental role in the entire ecosystem. These will allow you to earn profits by receiving a percentage of the prizes generated in each game, and you will also have privileged access to exclusive tournaments with higher prizes up for grabs. In short, it's a game that combines strategic gameplay with a diverse roster of heroes and the possibility of earning cryptocurrency rewards as long as you are skilled in these types of games. We hope you are enjoying this compilation. If so, please leave us a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss out on upcoming free NFT games, airdrops, giveaways, DeFi investments, and different explorations that we do every day on the blockchain. Created and developed on the veteran BNB chain network, we have the next project that you may not know by name, Farcana. It is a third-person shooter with a style similar to Fortnite that we find available for free on computers. In this metaverse, Battle Royale action is fused with NFTs and play-to-win mechanics. Set in a dystopian future on Mars, players face each other in fascinating sci-fi landscapes. It emphasizes fast-paced gameplay, where weapons and the strategic use of characters' tactical and defensive skills determine the outcome of the games. It offers a rich gaming experience with 24 unique characters and 20 different weapons. It introduces a creation system and 4 roles that enhance strategic gameplay. Players are divided into 2 teams of 4 players in one of its gameplay modes, choosing a star with a class between frontline, tactical, healer, or disruptor. Depending on the choice, the skills and weapons will change. There are 3 main modes: the tactical one, where they complete objectives such as destroying the opposing team's base; strategic mode, where capturing objectives is the key to victory; and arcade, a more casual mode designed for entertainment. Its economy is reinforced by its main token, FAR, being useful for various elements of the game, such as the purchase of exclusive skins, unique pets, season passes, tournament tickets, and other accesses. In addition, NFTs also provide an additional layer of benefits. Items such as weapons, certain skins can be NFTs and can be traded in the different markets. There is a crafting system that, by participating in various activities such as playing matches, completing tasks, and participating in events, we obtain the necessary elements for the manufacture of various items that can be well valued to make a profit by selling them. Created and developed on the BRN BNB chain network, we find the next project that you may not know, called BRN Metaverse. It is an RPG in an ambitious metaverse that we have available for free for mobile and computers. Among the possibilities is the existence of an arena where players face each other in PvP combats, where they can earn tokens if they defeat their opponents. In this way, they can earn cryptocurrencies by participating in arenas, completing tasks, reaching goals, or contributing to the ecosystem in the different play-to-earn methods. The game inventories provide weapons, protectors, pets, and alchemy stones that grant unique abilities to the characters. These items can be obtained, used in-game, or bought and sold in the different existing markets. The leaderboard and ranking will be important. You can earn additional income by ranking in the unique boss arenas. This will provide you with tickets, activity token boxes, or coins from the unique monsters you kill in these arenas that will add unique rank points that will affect your ranking for each season. You can participate in 6 different modes, including Space Station, War in Hell, Clan Battle, and Eternal Warrior. Its economy is backed by the main token of the entire ecosystem, BRN. Among its ways of obtaining it are some airdrop campaigns, which seek the participation of new potential users to encourage the growth of the game. As is understood, NFTs also play an important role in this entire ecosystem, whether in the form of NFT characters, weapons, skins, and other items. They will grant advantages to players and will be a way to provide income with the obtaining and selling of them. In short, this MMO mixes PvP and PvE modes. All its gameplay maintains a close relationship with the metaverse and competitive confrontations. Created and developed on the popular BNB chain network and other networks, we find the following project that you may not know, called Domino Earning World. It is an arcade game of the ancient Domino game that we will have available for both mobile phones and computers from the browser itself. Players participate in competitive games in weekly tournaments and monthly leagues, demonstrating our skills and placing ourselves in the best places on the leaderboards. They have the motto of skill to earn, skill to win, because in this metaverse the system is designed so that the players who dedicate the most training and practice to it succeed, above any investment, because here they will not obtain competitive advantages, even if they buy accessories, clothes, and NFT characters. There are 5 game modes with different rules. If you already have basic knowledge of dominoes, it will be easy for you to learn the new concepts. And if you are a complete novice, you will have tutorials and documents at your disposal that will make you become an expert with the dominoes. Its economy is driven by its main token, Domicoin, which supports all tables and different gaming centers, using it as a ticket to register for the different events and being your entry key for each game against another or several PvP players. The winners will receive the pot of the entire table and will be able to add tokens to their balances that they can exchange for USDT whenever they want. NFT characters are key pieces to increase the percentage of prizes at each table, and necessary to join this ecosystem. You can choose the option of buying a definitive avatar, or you can rent it on the market. Equipping it with clothes and accessories will be another option to try to keep most of the pot. But even without clothes, you can take home the total cash prizes from each tournament and be the champion of the league. And with this interesting game, we will conclude this video. If all the information was useful to you now, you can click like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss upcoming free NFT games, airdrops, raffles, DeFi investments, and much more content that we work on daily. Write your comments below because we always read them. It is time to say goodbye, wishing you profitable investments or knowledge, and remember that if you have a Bitcoin fantasy, you should join us.